I'd like to welcome you all to the channel where I am obsessed with dual sports and motorcycle camping and dirt bikes and trail riding. So if you're into those things, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any great content. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions about the gear I use, and I have a link in the YouTube channel in the header over in the right hand corner. Some very small links, but there's gear I use and trust. That's everything that I'm using now and trust, and the Facebook, Instagram, etc. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this video because I'm excited to bring it to you. Cheers. What the brap is up, everybody? Cody with two wheels and a tent. Today we're meeting Damon for a moto camp, and I am late. Shocker. This video was Sunday night. Originally we were supposed to camp Saturday night, but when Damon woke up it was snowing on his way here, and we decided you can't camp if you don't arrive alive.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Cold, I made it though.
Yeah, I bet
Holy
you're cold.
shit. I didn't expect it to be that cold going across. And the fog wouldn't break.
That's terrible.
Well, it started snowing on top of Daniels. Like, I better get going before. It's been a cold ride, but it should warm up from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't get any worse.
No.
And as adventure goes, as I was in a hurry to leave in the morning, late to meet Damon, I found that I had lost a lot of oil in the 701. So we met at Walmart. I ran in, grabbed some oil, and we headed over to Maverick where I put in the oil, and all turned out well eventually. It really is adventure's first stop. Look at this.
You putting your oil in and stuff here too?
Probably will.
Okay. You want me to go sneak a parking spot up front there? That way we can get in. I just gotta use the restroom. I was just gonna grab like a more.
Probably a good idea to pee.
That way, yeah, I'll get away from the pump so someone else can use it.
Alright, so we got Damon riding with us on our first adventure of 2020. Pretty exciting. Poor Damon had to go through 20-degree weather up over an area I'm familiar with. Coming home from Arizona was so cold. Excited to meet new friends and go on adventures. Do some social distancing.
screwed up on one side there.
What?
I was thinking when we were headed out on 5 mile. I was thinking about taking that Pony Express trail.
Yeah, but it came up pretty quick. Maybe on the way back I might try that.
I think we should. That'd be a good idea.
Be fun, but yeah, it came up quick. But I am certainly glad to get out of this wind for a minute. Woo! I'm not trying to complain. I know you've been through worse today. Welcome to Vernon.
Tried to catch a little air there without taking everything off.
That was fun.
That is.
I got a little more than I thought I would on that one, actually.
I was thinking to myself, take it easy. You don't want to bottom this thing out.
I did bottom out.
I said
And then
south.
back there.
You're more unimproved stuff, so maybe we could go over there and check it out.
Yeah, let's check it out. The less people were by, the better, I think. Yeah?
Yeah.
This feels good. I don't know why, but
Well, it's kind of just a little ways. You know, there's like a little one right there.
yeah.
It's actually better than I thought out here, for sure. I'm actually impressed. See if I can find a rock to put my kickstand on.
Yeah, that'd be good to do first, huh?
Before I come over, huh?
Is that too rocky?
That's good there. Like anything, I think I'd be pretty comfortable with anything a pickup truck could go up normal. Like I just put it in sport mode on the transmission, then I turn the anti-lock brakes off, then I turn it on off-road like conditions, and then turn the torque level down so it doesn't spin all over.
So that's all electric to do that?
Yeah.
That's insane.
But I'm not big into technology. Like I think it's good, like ABS, and I'm not big into ride modes. But the biggest reason I bought this thing is because it was a holdover and it was a screaming deal.
Think this goes all the way up the peak? So that's the way we came, right?
Yeah, we went up 577. We just turned our loop to the front.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good with whatever. We can ride more, we can go eat, I don't care.
There's some stuff over, I know when we were coming into the reservoir too, there was a couple springs or creeks over there too. You know where that information sign was?
Yeah.
You want to try that out?
Yeah, go check it out.
It's 3 o'clock, so I mean we've got a little while, but I don't want to get too far out either.
Yeah, no, I'm good with that. I just haven't eaten anything all day, so.
Well, we can go eat something.
Let's go eat something quick and then we'll go check that out.
I'll just phone you back.
There we go. So at this point, we went back to camp, cooked up some mountain house, flew the drone to get some shots of our surrounding area, and then we went out on a ride without the cameras, of course. Batteries were pretty much dead at this point. And ended up hitting snow, so we couldn't go any further. But on the way back, I saw a fox run across the road, which was pretty cool. I've never seen a fox out in the wild, so that was pretty awesome. Then we came back, hunkered down for the night. Had an absolute blast. Thanks, Damon, for coming out. I'm glad we could meet up and do this. It was a bit chilly. I think we got down to about 27, 28 degrees. Both of us had a little bit of a chill, but we made it just fine. Our gear was pretty good and made it through. So I'm going to show you some footage, picture here coming up after the drone footage of the snow that we got to. And then I'll just show you some of the footage that I got on the way home and our goodbye to wrap it up. But I look forward to doing many more of these with you, Damon, and many other people, hopefully this coming summer, if the government doesn't keep us all in and we don't die. Alright, so first moto camp of the year done with. Leaving camp. Had fun. It was about 28 degrees last night. A little bit freaking chilly. But we had fun. Yeah, do you need gas first or no? Okay. I think we're good. Here we are in Vernon at the store. Get a quick fill up. Oh, they're out of fuel. Luckily, Damon had one of these, and I'd been wanting to buy one anyway. This one just happened to be full. So, adventure, baby. You do what you gotta do. Now we have emergency stash. Well, thanks, Damon, for coming out.
Awesome.
How was the shakedown?
It was fun. Ruined a couple things, but it's all in good.
We had fun. A couple mishaps, but nothing major.
That's right.
He saved me on fuel. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
It's been fun. Right there. What's up?
Because I imagine we'll be a while.
Yeah, looks like it. Woo! So thank God you had that fuel.
You were about out?
Yeah.
Did you run out?
I didn't run out, but my light came on soon after we left that town, even though I put that in.
Oh, really?
So
you did put it in, huh?
yeah.
Oh.
Safe travels.
Peace out, Matt.
Thank you. Had a blast.
Yeah, it was great. I'll talk to you here a little bit later.
Sounds good. Ride safe, bro.
See ya.
Off he goes. Off we go. Thanks for coming along, Damon. Had fun. And so, people, there goes the first camp 2020.